Model, 2018 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise Camper, Solar System. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 236,520. MOT, the 16th of August 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. EGR cooler needs replacing, this is a very common problem. The engine is perfect. No head gasket issues, just leaking from front of the EGR cooler, nice easy job. Condition summary, bodywork is immaculate for its age and mileage. This is possibly one of the cleanest relays we have ever seen. On the inside of this van we have a full camper conversion with everything from a bed to the kitchen sink. Truthfully, with only a bit of work this camper would be ready for you and the family to go on holiday to anywhere your heart desires. Great project, first to see will buy. Features, 2 former keepers, sat-nav, electric windows, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.